Ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa DCI riu ni ruhithuritie ati GIKUU kia ndagitari Victoria NTHUNYA Mutiso ni undu wabangitwo na gutabarirwo wega. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge ruru MOHAMMED AMIN, giko giki kia unyamu giatabanirio ni maabithaa atatu a borithi ari hamwe na Inspector KENNETH KIPKEMBOI wa ceceni ya borithi ya NDERI, Constable Elijah Kibelion Kemoi wa ceceni ya borithi ya Karide na Constable Beth Kiplangat Collins wa ceceni ya borithi ya Thogoto.
KENNETH KIPKEMBOI sang, the officer in charge of NDERI police post under KIKUYU police station, has been positively identified as the link person between the financiers and the operational team. Thorough analysis of evidence has further established the identity of the officer who pulled the trigger. One PC Elijah Kibelion Kemoi, attached to Karinde police post under KIKUYU police station.
AMIN ni athiete na mbere gutariria uria atatu aya mahotire gukinyaniria njuragano ino thutha wa kuhingiriria ngari ya taxi iria yakuite Dr. Mutiso barabara-ini ya Mawenzi mwena wa Upper Hill.
As the Uber driver slowed down, loud gunshots were heard from the rear left side where the deceased was seated. The driver saw a man wielding a pistol firing at Dr. Mutiso.
Oho uthuthuria wa ruhonge ruru ni ukuruhanitie ekuirwo angi eri Daniel Mwangi Njoroge na Kevin Ngugi Kinuthia gukirikana Njoroge niwe wahuthikaga gukinyaniria mibango ino na nowe watwarithagia imwe ya ngari iria ciahuthikire gukinyia ekuirwo haria njuragano ino yatabanirio.
We managed to get hold of the owner of these two motor vehicles, who indeed confirmed to us that the two vehicles were hired out to Daniel Mwangi Njoroge on 29th of July 2026.
Thutha wa giko giki, maabithaa a uthuthuria ni mahotire kuyukia mushinga uria wahuthikire gukinyaniria njuragano ino ceceni-ini ya borithi ya NDERI na rithathi iria yatigarire mwiri-ini wa Dr. Mutiso.
Ballistic report has positively identified this mini Jericho pistol as the murder weapon that was used in the fatal shooting of the late Dr. Victoria Mutiso. The spent cartridges recovered from the scene and the bullet head recovered from the body during the post-mortem examination matched the test-fired specimens from this firearm.
AMIN augite gukuruhanio kwa maabithaa aya thiini wa njuragano ino ni undu ugicungiriria muingi kwaga mwihoko na ruhonge rwa borithi, akiranira kuhuthira njira ciothe gutigirira aria mabangire na gukinyaniria njuragano ino ni matacukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
The involvement of these rogue police officers represents a grave betrayal of the uniform and the public trust, and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations will pursue them with the full force of the law.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngena wa Wadiro.